Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Millie's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for advanced level. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about a parallel structure. So, what is a parallel structure? A structure combining equal words, phrases, and clauses by a conjunction is called parallel structure. In simple words, whenever we use a conjunction between two or more equal, when I say equal, it means grammatically equal, words, phrases, sentences, or clauses. That sort of structure is known as a parallel structure. Purposes of parallel structure. Here are some of the most common purposes of parallel structure. The first purpose is we use a parallel structure to make a clear sentence. Number two, we use it to avoid wordiness. When I say wordiness, it means the repetition of unnecessary words. And number three, to include many pieces of information in a single sentence. You can accommodate a lot of information in one sentence through parallel structure. Now let's talk about some of the most common parallel structures in English grammar. Number one is noun plus conjunction plus noun. For example, Sarah, Nargis, and Salma all have red hair. In this sentence, we have three equal words that are combined by a conjunction. Sarah, it's a noun. Nargis, it's also a noun. And Salma, it's also a noun. And all of them have been combined by using the conjunction and. This sort of structure is called a parallel structure. And it has a lot of benefits. You can say the same sentence like this also. Sarah has red hair. Nargis has red hair. Salma has red hair. That's too wordy, right? You can make it clear and concise using a parallel structure. For example, a ball, bat, and glove are all used in this game of baseball. So here is a parallel structure. Number two, verb plus conjunction plus verb. For example, our teacher is teaching and answering our questions. Here, the conjunction and is used to combine the verbs teaching and answering. His is something optional here. Or, he doesn't buy nor sells used cars. Here, we have buy and sells, and between these two verbs we have nor, thus making a parallel structure. Number three, we have adjective plus conjunction plus adjective. For example, she is very kind, generous, and sharp. Here, we have three adjectives: kind, generous, sharp, and we have combined them by using the conjunction and. Our final test was easy but lengthy. It's not important that you should always use the conjunction and. You can use any conjunction, especially coordinate conjunctions. So the adjectives are easy and lengthy, and we have the conjunction but, thus making a parallel structure. Number four, adverb plus conjunction plus adverb. For example, he spoke angrily and bitterly about the war. So we have angrily and bitterly, and between them we have and. Both of them are grammatically equal because both of them belong to the same group of words. She applied the eyeliner carefully and slowly. Carefully is one adverb, slowly is the other, and between them we have used the conjunction and. 5. Gerund plus conjunction plus gerund. For example, she enjoys reading, watching movies, or listening to soft music. Here we have reading, watching, and listening. Our mission is eradicating illiteracy and educating our nation. Here we have combined eradicating and educating. 6. Infinitive plus conjunction plus infinitive. For example, Tamim likes to travel and to meet new people. Here we have to travel and to meet. To is something optional here. Children want to be loved and to be respected. So we have two infinitives, to be and to be. Number 7. Now we can also have two clauses. Clause plus conjunction plus clause. For example, she is very ill. This is one clause, and the other clause is she can't come to class today. And between the two clauses, we have a conjunction. So we have a parallel structure as a whole. I have found out where she goes and whom she meets. Where she goes and whom she meets, there are two clauses, and between them we have and. His stomach was a little upset. Why? For he ate a lot last night. So for means because. Between the two clauses, we have the conjunction for. Now let's do an exercise. Correct the following sentences. In the following 5 sentences, we have got mistakes, and you have to correct them according to parallel structure rules. Number 1, let me do it. Nemat Rohan enjoys skiing, to swim, and jumping. If you see here, we have skiing and jumping on both the sides. It means we have two gerunds. And in the middle, we have to swim, which is an infinitive. And they're not equal. So you have to either say, Nemat Rohan enjoys skiing, swimming, and jumping. Or Nemat Rohan enjoys to ski, to swim, and to jump. Good luck with the rest of them. Number 2. Farhad Safai wants to sing, to hum, and walking. The same mistake, we have to say Farhad Safai wants to sing, to hum, and to walk. 3. Dogs are great pets for the following reasons. Reason number 1, they are loyal. Reason number 2, they are loving. And reason number 3, because of their obedience, that's wrong. You have to say they are loyal, they are loving, and they are obedient. 4. The following activities can be done at the shopping center. Okay, number 1, buying groceries. 2, eating lunch. And 3, a bill payment center. That's wrong. You have to say, the following activities can be done at the shopping center. Buying groceries, eating lunch, and paying the bills. Now that's right. And number 5, in your bedroom you can find the following: a bed, a closet, and sitting at a desk. That's wrong. So you have to say, in your bedroom you can find the following: a bed, a closet, and a desk. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget that this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.